Hello, my name is Jiten Shah, and I was a branch manager in SBI Life Insurance Company, and we have recently incorporated one Section 8 company which is called Not for Profit Association and NGO. It is an NGO. So the name of the company is Intercontinental Confederation for Chamber of Commerce, and we have incorporated that company recently. So we want to connect entire MSME of the world, different part of the world, and we want all the chamber, international and national chamber, and we want give a similar platform and single platform to them. The object of this company is to become the world's largest company, and the mission for this company is to encourage and empower chambers and entrepreneurs to successfully expand their horizon globally. We are going to facilitate and promote the multilateral trade of 500 plus billion US dollar. That is the main vision, mission and objective statement for the company. Right now we are looking for people in state to join this federation because we have a short growth plan for them, and we want them to join to qualify, and they can also become a director board member within a few months. So we have keep this opportunity open for all the MSME, and we keep this open, honest, transparent and equal to all the MSME. To join the federation, they can come on the platform, they can grow within the system, and we will help them to grow them, and at the same time they can work for a noble cause, and we can work for the nation, and we can help other people to also develop, and this is the way we are going to help Indian MSME and the entire world's MSME, and to strengthen the Indian economy. The need of the hour is such kind of global federation. Thank you.
आपका जो है MSME स्टार्टिंग से अब ग्लोबल को कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे आप बताइए।
We have a 70 plus different clusters. Each state will have 71 plus clusters, and we will have a different 50 to 60 board member on each clusters. Now, automatically you can have a chance to connect with the similar trade in different state, and the same way we are going to duplicate the model in other countries. We can say major country from 195 countries. So we are going to incorporate the same company in other countries. We are going to have the on board development board member and directors in those countries. In the same way, we are going to help other people to join on a single platform. This is where we can give a single platform to entire MSME worldwide.
So it's a network or
no, it's not a network. Network can be a product automatically. When people come on the single platform, network is not a product. It is a by default feature of a connections. So we are not a network, but we can provide you a good and rich network where people came from a senior level. They are willing to help, and because we don't want people to come by choice and selection, here we keep a qualifications. If you join and if you qualify, then only you can become a part of the federation. So network is one of the, we can say 1/10 of the entire activity of the federation, because this federation are going to facilitate and promote international trade and many other documentation for the export, and a lot of other things with the government and non-government, private and government sectors. We are going to collaborate. So network can become a 1/10 of the entire activity of the federation.
so in federation आपको गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से क्या-क्या है लीगली?
In federation, we don't need any kind of help from the government of India, but maybe we can help other MSME to expand their business in other countries. But we can collaborate with the MSME, and I am working with Indian MSME since last 3 years. So we can take support from the policy, and we can contribute our own influence to make the good policies for the Indian MSME, and we can help them to strengthen and boost their own export turnover with the help of government schemes, and we can work, and we can even help government to have their own wings in other countries with the collaboration of local and international chambers.
If the starter associate with your federation, how the federation is going to support the starter around the globe.
Yeah, if you are a startup company, so we in a startup we require lot of information, lot of encouragement, lot of regular coaching and promotion of your own products, idea and funds. So we are going to give you a inbuilt feature of the fundraising event, and also the startup will have, already we will have a plan within a 2 to 3 years, our own offices in major countries from 195 countries. So automatically, if you are a starter, if you want to go another country, you can go and approach the same chamber and the same body and the same people who are going to support this federation. We are having an idea of bringing 1000 plus people out of country to support this federation from different part of the world.
So ये मल्टी लेवल मार्केटिंग के जैसे रहेगा और मैं तो डिफरेंट रहेगा?
No, it's not a multi-level marketing. In multi-level marketing, we are promoting some products. We are promoting some such brand, and when people bring, they automatically map into somebody's, we can say in somebody's downline. Okay, so एक आदमी के बाद दूसरा आदमी, उसके बाद तीसरा आदमी, मेरे थ्रू जो लोग आ रहे हैं उनकी मुझे क्रेडिट मिल रही है, एंड उनके थ्रू जो लोग आ रहे हैं उनकी भी क्रेडिट या तो पैसा मुझे मिल रहा है. Here we don't have any such kind of MLM, or we are even not with this federation is a not for profit association. So we cannot do anything and we cannot promote any income. If you want to work with this federation, you must have willingness to work for a noble cause, and you must have a strength and willingness to work for a country. So it's not any income plan, or we don't want to have such kind of impression. Either we can say a comparison with any network company, or we can say any multi-level marketing company. It's a Section 8 company which is which have always a huge global image and the recognition. So it is even we cannot compare with any another company, federation or network or anything. I am really very pleased and happy to say that this event has been organized by Mr. Avinash, called Network Marathon, was very successful, and we after the COVID, it's a need of the hour, and the venue, this Novatol in Hyderabad, is one of the very suitable and very big. Hall was very big, and we are really I think we are coming back to the normal, and this event is really a very contentful and very organized way, and I really appreciate Avinash and the entire team, and I am very thankful, and I wish them for having the more events, and this federation are going to become the support, and we can also become a part of their global business expansion. Thank you very much.
Thank you. चल रहा